Now getting after this class.
Ma'am.
Good morning. I think it is a good afternoon.
evening.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Now it is 12:15, so it is good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon. So, yeah. So, what you said, you all of you had your breakfast, and after some time, you are all going to have your lunch, isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, for lunch, what you are going to eat? For lunch, what you are going to eat?
समाज में कोई नाम खराब समाज में तो नाम नहीं है।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
नाम तो है मंदिर जाना और ये करना।
Good morning, all of you. So, from now onwards, what I will be taking your class for.
Ma'am, your voice is break.
My voice is.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is break.
my voice is not breaking, better. My voice is come here. Okay, internet connection is okay.
Ma'am, but your voice is breaking to me also.
I'm not audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
To others also, I'm not audible.
No, ma'am.
Audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from now onwards to the next 1 more week, I will be taking your EVS class for EVS. Okay, I will be taking your class for EVS. Yeah.
Ma'am, EVS तो complete हो गया है.
Yeah.
Ma'am, EVS तो complete हो गया है. Ma'am करवा दी थी गीतिका ma'am.
Complete हो गया ना? I know that.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
EVS. Yes, class 4 EVS I will be taking, and for the next 2 weeks I will be only taking. After that, your Kritika ma'am will continue. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please give rename option.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, EVS is completed.
Yes, I know. And revision will be there from now because next from 4th of Jan you are going to have your PT2, isn't that? From 4th of Jan you are going to have your PT2, isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
Class 1 to 8 is having PT2, isn't that? And you will be having in MCQ format, isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today first I will do what in short I will be explaining short, because since you have already learned the chapter, okay, since you have already learned the chapter, what I will do in short, I will explain one chapter and then related to that MCQ I will give in the Google form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Use I will give in the Google form. Done? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
For the first 5-10 minutes, I will explain the chapter in short, and in the next 10-15 minutes, whatever is left, 10 questions of that particular chapter in Google form. Okay? Done?
Ma'am, please give rename option.
I have given already.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Yes? Yes?
ma'am, please see the screen. I have not book.
You don't
Ma'am,
have
मेरे
book?
पास भी book नहीं है, ma'am.
You don't have book, you are
Excuse
telling.
me, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, sir. मार दूंगा मैं.
So first let me open it. I am having the book. Don't worry about that. I am
No,
having
ma'am, मेरे पास नहीं है. And I have.
निकालो.
Take out your books. Those who are, all of you have the book. Take your time and open the book. take your time and open your books.
Yes, ma'am.
First, I will be explaining you the chapter in short. Then I will be taking the what your yes, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, yes. Let me open your textbook. Yes, 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 beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell. I'm listening. For 2 weeks, I will be taking 2 or 3 weeks. Okay.
इसके अंदर पेपर और ये सालों कंधा तो कपड़ा बना
Beta,
यस मैम
I am just opening your textbook. You can see on my screen.
यस मैम
First, I will be explaining in the short. Then I will take the MCQ. Okay.
यस मैम
मम्मा अभी मैम अभी टेस्ट एक एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन में पापा ये है तो लैपटॉप का है मेरे पास
Okay. Wait.
तीनों प्राप्त नहीं करूंगी
Beta. The screen is visible to you.
दक्षिता मैम क्लास में नहीं है अभी
हाय मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग
मैम एक्चुअली क्लास में
म्यूट
Mute myself. Wait, wait. I will just wait. Oh, so the screen is visible to you.
No, ma'am. No. Yes, ma'am. No, no.
Who is doing the annotation work?
I will read the chapter.
Stop the annotation work.
Mama, I will read this chapter.
This chapter is already over, isn't that?
यस मैम
Okay. So first, what I will be doing, I am going to explain this chapter in very short, the important points, and then you will be giving me the MCQ to the Google Forms. Okay? Is it clear?
बाद में ma'am,
Yes.
where are you, ma'am?
Yes. What happened?
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, screen is visible.
Visible, na? Okay. So what here it is? In this chapter, first we are, as all of you had your breakfast, and for breakfast you had some food, isn't that? And that food in your
not visible
yes,
मैम स्क्रीन इज नॉट विजिबल
not visible to anyone.
Ma'am,
Yes,
screen is not visible मैम इज नॉट विजिबल
wait.
screen is audible
मैम आप सबको म्यूट कर दो। मैम आप
Just mute
सबको
everyone,
म्यूट
that is all.
कर दो।
मैम आप सबको म्यूट कर दो।
यस मैम।
Now, as you can see this, in the morning you said you all had your breakfast. Okay, you said you had your breakfast, and for breakfast you had some food, isn't that? That food from where you brought it from a market, isn't that? You brought it from the market. And when you brought it from market, where it came? It came from the fields, isn't that? Isn't that or not? In the morning when you had your breakfast, you had the food. This food from where you bought? You went to the market, you bought vegetables or grains or something, then you brought it home, you cooked and ate. But that from the market, in the market from where the food came, who is sending the food to the market? The food is coming from the fields. The food is coming from the fields. Fields means खेत, जहाँ पे farmers काम करते हैं और उस fields में क्या करते हैं? Grains, pulses वगैरह उगाते हैं, and from there you are getting your food. Okay, from there you are getting your food. Isn't that? Now this way, that means from farm or the fields, our food is coming. Now in these farms or the fields, how this food is grown, that we have to focus in this particular chapter. कि farm और fields में कैसे food grow किए जाते हैं, that we have to learn. Okay, please focus on in the class. I can see your video all. Is it clear? I can see who is moving or is turning the screen. I can see. Should I take the name? Vaibhav, focus on yourself. Okay. So what it is, this food is coming from the field. And in this field, how the food is grown, that we have to focus in this particular chapter. Okay. So first in the field, who is growing the food? The farmers. The farmers are growing the foods. Farmers जो हैं वो किसान जो हैं इस खेत में जाके आपके जो अनाज हैं, फल है, फूल है, वो उगाने का काम इनका है, farmers का है. So how they are growing this particular food, that we will see one by one. So when first what they have to do, there are certain steps of growing the food in the field. कुछ steps होते हैं, वो step by step करके आपको फूड को ग्रो करते हैं. आप फूड ग्रो करते हो कहाँ पे? फील्ड्स में. ऐसे नहीं कि आपने बीज उठाया, डाल दिया, पानी डाल दिया, वो हो गया, बड़ा हो गया. नहीं, you have to take a proper care and you have to do proper steps, then only the your food will be grown nicely and it will be sent to the market. Okay, so here what will we do? We will take a large field. Okay, and in the large field the farmers are first plugging the field. Okay, so what is plugging of the field? Since the chapter is over, I can expect the answer. Dakshita, can you tell me what is plugging?
Yes ma'am.
Can you tell me what is plugging of the field? What do you understand?
Ma'am, where is that?
प्लगिंग ऑफ द फील्ड. आप क्या समझते हो? सबसे पहला स्टेप जो रहता है, खेत में हम जाके क्या करते हैं? प्लगिंग करते हैं ना. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो, प्लगिंग फील्ड विथ अ ट्रैक्टर. Isn't that? You can see in the screen. Plugging
Yes,
with a tractor. What do you understand by plugging?
Ma'am, what you are saying?
What do you understand by plugging?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Gatha, can you? Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, plugging is field with by tractor.
Field with tractor? Oh,
No, ma'am.
no. Then?
मैम खेतों से ना वो मिट्टी को वो
Yes. Digging the soil. Yes.
Digging
Digging the soil. Okay. Plugging is the process by which you are डिगिंग द सॉइल, मिट्टी निकालते हैं ताकि हम उसके अंदर कुछ सीड या फिर कुछ और उसमें डाल के उसको उगा सके। जब भी आप घर में भी कोई चीज उगाते हो तो पहले सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, मिट्टी खोदना पड़ता है, तब जाके आप उसमें बीज डालोगे या फिर वो प्लांट का जो स्टेम है वो लगाओगे, isn't that? So that way you are going to what plant that particular thing, isn't that? तो यह खेत में भी ऐसे ही होता है। सबसे पहले what you have to do, you have to first plug the field. Okay, गाथा, what happened बेटा? गाथा?
मैम आप मुझसे कुछ पूछ रहे थे क्या?
Yes, I was asking what do you understand by plugging.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I grow the plant one. Ma'am, I growing a plant one.
You are growing a plant. Very good. Which plant you are growing?
Ma'am, मैं दिखा रही हूँ.
Okay. So by the time Dakshita is showing, we will see the Dakshita's plant. We will move on with this. Okay. So what here it is that yes. So what it is, first the thing you have to do the plugging of the soil. Okay. Plugging से क्या होगा? तो plugging से जो hard soil है, जो soil के जो lump होते हैं, बड़े-बड़े lumps means बड़े-बड़े टुकड़े, chunks देखो ना, soil कभी-कभी chunks के form में ढेला-ढेला बन जाता है. That is called as lumps. The soil lumps will become loose and it will be easier to grow the plant. So the first step of growing doing the field purpose is the plugging. Plugging means digging the soil, okay, which make the soil lumps loose. समझ में आया क्या बोलते हैं? डिगिंग क्या, प्लगिंग क्या है? प्लगिंग इज अ प्रोसेस बाय विच यू आर डिगिंग. आप डिग करते हो सॉइल को, जिससे जो सॉइल के मिट्टी के जो बड़े-बड़े जो टुकड़े रहते हैं वो लूज हो जाते हैं, जिसके कारण प्लांट्स को ग्रो करना क्या हो जाता है? इजी हो जाता है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, आफ्टर दिस प्लगिंग ऑफ द फील्ड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर ब्रिंगिंग द सीड्स. आप उसको प्लग करोगे. प्लग करने के बाद आपका काम क्या है? उसमें आपको सीड डालना है. ओके, you have to add the seed. Okay, and as soon as you so अब वो सीड डालने के बाद उसको मिट्टी से कवर करना है. जो मिट्टी से जो कवर करते हैं उस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं सोइंग. SOWING. You can see in the screen. First step, plug and level the soil. Second, bought the seed from the market and sowed the seed in the soil. Second step, main step क्या है? आपको उस सीड को लाके उस सॉइल के अंदर डालना है. Okay, the third step what you have to do, you have to water the soil. You have to water the soil, and after watering the soil you have to remove the extra weeds. जो कोई घास वगैरह जो रहते हैं, जो कि क्या करते हैं, प्लांट का एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट, दुश्मन जैसे होते हैं प्लांट के, वो क्या करते हैं, प्लांट के एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट्स को खींच लेते हैं. इसलिए हमको जब हम खेती करते हैं, फील्ड पर्पस करते हैं, तो वीड्स को हटाना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप हम क्या करेंगे? We will remove the weeds. After removing the weeds, the plants will grow. And when the plants will grow, तो second दुश्मन आ गए, second enemy आ जाएंगे. कौन है second enemy? कौन है second enemy? Pest, rodents, कीड़े मकोड़े आके, जैसे आप लोग अभी सुने होंगे इंडिया में टिड्डी अटैक. सुने थे क्या? हुआ था? कोई सुना था ये? इंडिया में टिड्डी अटैक हुआ था, सुने थे? Some this much cricket-like insect was coming and eating up all the food materials. It happened in Gujarat, Rajasthan side, isn't that? तो वो क्या है? ये क्या है? पेस्ट है. ये क्या करेंगे? इन लोग आएंगे, पूरा फूड को बर्बाद कर देंगे. इसीलिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता है? पेस्टिसाइड स्प्रे करना पड़ता है, ताकि जो कीड़े वगैरह है वो इस फूड को ना खा सके. Okay, guess what happened? Molly, what happened?
Ma'am, can I tell answer?
Yes, tell.
मैम, जो आपने प्लगिंग का पूछा था वो बताओ.
बताओ.
मैम, मेकिंग द सॉइल सॉफ्ट.
Yes, correct. Good. Okay. सबसे पहले हमने प्लग किया फील्ड को, उसके बाद हमने उसमें सीड्स डाले. सीड्स डालने के बाद हमने वाटरिंग किया. वाटरिंग करने के बाद उसमें जो वीड्स थे, जो घास वगैरह थी, अनवांटेड प्लांट्स थे, उसको हमने हटाया. अनवांटेड प्लांट्स हटाने के बाद फिफ्थ स्टेप आप क्या करोगे, जो कीड़े मकोड़े हैं वो उसको खा ना पाए, इसलिए आप उसके ऊपर क्या करोगे, यू विल स्प्रे पेस्टिसाइड्स। आफ्टर जो कीड़े मकोड़े मर जाएंगे तो प्लांट्स जो है वो प्रॉपरली ग्रो करेगा, और जब फसल एकदम या क्रॉप्स विल ग्रो प्रॉपरली, व्हेन दे हैव ग्रोन कंप्लीटली, you will cut the crops, and that process is called as harvesting. That process is called as harvesting, and after harvesting this particular crops are taken for the further purpose. Okay, after harvesting you are taking for the further purpose, and what you are do, ऐसे ही तो after harvesting direct market में आ जाते हैं क्या crops? After harvesting direct आते हैं क्या crops market में? नहीं आता। आप जब भी आपको मार्केट शॉप में मिलेगी तो what you will get wheat grains, you will get rice grains, you will get pulses grains, but you are not getting the full plant. That means there will be one more step. Then there will be one more step before it is coming to the market. So before coming to the market, this particular wheats और grains जो रहते हैं उसको आप लेके क्या करते हो, थ्रशिंग करते हो। थ्रशिंग मतलब आपको जो धान वगैरह रहता है उसमें जो कवर रहता है, उस कवर के अंदर से ग्रेन्स को सेपरेट करते हैं, हस्क बोलते हैं जिसको। इज इट क्लियर? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस, हाउ टू रिमूव हस्क फ्रॉम ग्रेन? काव्या
Ma'am,
wait काव्या, can you tell me how you are removing that husk from the grains?
मैम क्या?
How you are removing that husk from the grains? वो जो आप
मैम हर्ष।
yes, HUSK.
हाँ मैम, spices.
Spices? I'm not asking what spices. I am asking
मैम हर्ष।
HUSK.
मैम प्लग करके।
प्लग करके निकालते हैं?
मैम खींच के।
Okay. Anybody else? Okay. निश्चय, can you tell? No. Vaibhav?
Yes मैम।
How do you remove husk from grain?
मैम हाथ से निकालते हैं मैम।
हाथ से निकालते हैं पूरा?
मैम can I tell?
ma'am, I will tell. Ma'am, I will tell.
Okay, first Gatha will tell. Tell me, Gatha.
Ma'am, harvesting machine for cutting the crops from the fields and also spreading the grains from the hull.
Okay, and others? Here, Molly.
No मैम।
Okay, so हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन्स आते हैं जिसके जरिए आप उसको सेपरेट कर सकते हो। ओके, ऑल्सो हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन इज यूज। देखो you can see this picture you can see this red color this automobile is actually used for cutting the crops and also used for separating the grains. Beside this, in villages people use hand technique. That means what they do, they collect the particular this much big crops in their hands and they beat on the stone, and when they beat on the stone, that in that way also what your grains and husk is getting separated. Okay, is it clear? तो ये husk से separate हो गया।
Ma'am, I will
आपको आपने देख
Yes.
पीछे में देख के
Yes, Gatha.
Ma'am, I will tell right.
Tell what you want to tell.
Ma'am, I will tell right answer.
You told right answer, beta. Good. Okay, so this way you are separating the husk from the grains, and now these grains are ready and they come to the market. Okay, it is clear now how this food is coming to the our home. Okay, how this food is coming to our home, we got to know. Now, second thing which you should know, what tools are to be used when we are doing this farming purpose. Okay, Like this, this particular tool is called as rake, and it is used for digging. Okay. This,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
मैम वो वाईफाई देखकर मैं स्क्रीन को साइड से मैम कुछ नहीं आ रहा है मीटिंग में
हाँ हाँ,
मैम पिक्चर का वो नहीं पता मैम फोटो बस लाइट आ रहा है इसकी
पिक्चर लाइट आ रही है.
यस मैम
इसको अब कैसे करें? ब्राइटनेस तो और इतना नहीं जाएगा. रुको, ब्राइटनेस आई विल इंक्रीज. दिस इज फुल ब्राइटनेस हो बेटा. Now is it visible or should I zoom it?
नो मैम
Now is it visible?
नो
Then
नो मैम
yes. Then what problem?
मैम एकदम दिखता है मैम
हाँ हाँ.
Ma'am, screen is visible.
नो मैम
Maybe network issue from there, from your side. Okay. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens because of network error. This particular thing is not visible. The screen is not properly visible. Okay.
देखो ना
Okay.
ऐसा करना
Now next. Now
लगाए क्यों उसको
मैं पहले
होशियार चल
next it is rake. अब ये जो instrument, next thing is that you should know what instruments or what equipments, what equipments, tools you are using for the farming purpose. Okay, so the first tool which we are going to see is this rake. This particular thing is called as rake, and it is used for weeding also. It is used for plugging also. Plugging means आपको जब soil वगैरह हटाना रहता है तब भी आप use कर सकते हैं इसको, या weeding के लिए, मतलब घास निकालने के लिए भी आप इसको, weeds हटाने के लिए भी आप use कर सकते हैं. Okay. Next, hand hoe for digging and weeding. Hand hoe.
Where are you, ma'am?
Is there any problem with the visibility of the screen? Is the screen visible to you? I am asking you something. Respond me, beta. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Nishchay, I'm audible, na? I'm audible na now? Reply me. Beta, reply me. Yes, where Nishchay? Okay. I want that reply only. Okay. So next thing which you are going to learn is the tools. So first thing I told you, this is rake. Second thing which you can use is hand hoe. Hand hoe is used. Yes, Agatha, what happened?
क्या हुआ
Yes, Gatha, what happened?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
It is
clear yes
Speak
ma'am
for
it's
you.
clear
Ma'am,
Okay.
अब clear आ रही है.
Hand hoe. This is the picture of the hand hoe which is used. Okay.
okay
Hand hoe is used for again for digging and weeding. Next,
Wedding.
this is the what pick mattock. Pick mattock is used for. Pick mattock is used for what? Your
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, yes.
मैम आपने बोला था ना मैम आप हमको एक लिंक भेजोगे
अभी तो टाइम नहीं बचा बेटा, 8:10 हो गया अभी very less time is left. So what I will do, Friday I'm having class, isn't that Friday? Friday first I will be taking the test only. Okay, farms and fields, then I will
मैम फ्राइडे इज मैथ्स क्लास।
yes, Friday the EVS you are having na?
मैम ये
Friday EVS you are having, in that I will first 10 marks MCQ I will take, and then yes, Friday I'm having 12:15 na, same timetable, 12:15 to 12:50 I'm having.
yes ma'am।
Okay, in that class I will take the MCQ of this math, and I will move to the next. Okay, ab next.
Okay ma'am।
Yeah, these are the tools which are used for your farming purpose. Next it is, what it is next, after this either this food is grown, they are coming to the market, from market we are buying, and after buying we are cooking the food, and you are using in the various variety of foods, tasty foods your mother is making and giving to you, isn't that? So this is the what foods we are making. Yes, this beside these foods we are also using spices. Spices are that which is called as masala. Masala also we are using in our home. Spices. These spices also you should know. You should know the name of the spices. If I am taking when I am taking MCQ in the next class, I will ask you the names of the spices. Okay, like cardamom. इलायची को क्या बोलते हैं? Cardamom.
Cardamom.
Cumin यानी जीरा. Okay, cumin यानी घर में जीरा यूज करते हैं ना, cumin, that is जीरा. Okay, that it is fennel. Fennel means what? Anybody know what is fennel? Fennel seeds. What is fennel seeds? Sauf. Sauf जो खाते हैं ना, that is called as fennel seeds. Okay. Cloves.
Yes, ma'am.
Close यानी क्या होता है? Long जो होता है ना, long which we are using, that is called as
Yes, ma'am.
yes, close. And this corona time you should use cloves and this black pepper and cinnamon. Cinnamon also, you know, cinnamon is called as dalchini. Dalchini in Hindi, it is called as dalchini in Hindi. This is also very good for corona, so you should consume. Then black pepper, kali mirchi.
Kali mirch.
Yes, red pepper, everybody know red that it is lal mirchi, and turmeric,
Yes,
that means your haldi.
Haldi.
Beside this, fenugreek. What is this fenugreek? What is fenugreek? What is fenugreek? Yes, somebody told.
Haldi.
Fenugreek is not haldi. What is fenugreek? You are using in your home. It is not in the picture. Name is there. Picture में नहीं है. What is fenugreek?
Kesar.
Not kesar. That kesar is called as saffron. So kesar is called as saffron.
Saffron.
Fenugreek means मेथी. घर में मेथी यूज करें कभी? मेथी यूज करते हैं मम्मी लोग. Isn't that?
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
called as fenugreek. Okay. Clear है?
सब ठीक? हेलो
So this-
हेलो।
Yes.
1 2 3 4।
Who is doing that? Okay.
Ma'am,
So these are the
listen.
spices which you should know. And turmeric is very good nowadays also, since this is a time of disease, because it can kill the germs in the food. Okay, it can kill the germs in the food. Okay.
Food.
Yeah. So this is a small. Before moving and ending this chapter, can you tell me what are cereals? What are cereals? Cereals. You are studying in the lower class. Cereals. What are cereals? Nishchay, can you tell me? Nishchay, can you tell me what is cereals? You can see cereals. Cereals. What are these? Let's revise topic. Here you can see cereals, pulses, vegetables. Can you tell me what are cereals?
मेरे को पता है.
Tell me, I want to know what are cereals. Cereals are what?
Cereals.
Yes. All of you have seen daily you're consuming. Without that, you are not eating anything. Daily you are consuming. Cereals are the grass whose grain are edible. Cereals जो होते हैं वो एक टाइप के घास होते हैं जिनका ग्रेन्स जो होता है वो हम खाते हैं, और ऐसे वैसे घास नहीं, खाने लायक वाला. Like your wheat, rice, isn't that? Wheat और rice क्या है? Cereals है. Daily खाते हैं ना, daily consume करते हैं, isn't that? Wheat, rice are cereals, and what are they? They are actually a type of grass only whose grains are edible. Edible मतलब जिसको हम खा सकते, वो हमारे लिए नुकसान नहीं करेगा. Okay? Yes.
Pulses means dal.
Yes. Pulses means dal. आप जितने भी दाल खाते हो, मसूर का दाल, राहर का दाल, and all that different type, chickpea, pea, isn't that? All these are called as pulses. Okay? So when I will ask you in the MCQ in the next class, when I will take your exam in your next class, I will ask you what are cereals, what are pulses. Can anybody tell me what are lentils? Lentils. 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 What are lentils?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, lentils is called. अभी आप बोल रहे थे ना दाल दाल दाल. Lentils are called as dal only. Lentils. ठीक है? तो दाल जो होते हैं उसको हम लोग दाल ही बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में. We will say as lentils. Okay? Is it clear? So lentils are what our pulses. So next class जब आप MCQ दोगे तो you should know कि हार्वेस्टिंग क्या होता है, प्लगिंग क्या होता है, रेक कौन किसके लिए यूज करते हैं. Okay? What are cereals? What are pulses? Okay? And which spice is used for killing the germs and in the food? Just now I know. No, which spice? Spice कौन सा मसाला? मसाला फूड के अंदर जर्म्स को खत्म कर देता है. इतना यूजफुल है वो. कौन सा ऐसा स्पाइस है? कौन सा ऐसा मसाला है? टर्मरिक. टर्मरिक. यस, टर्मरिक. कहीं चोट भी लगती तो हल्दी लगाते हैं, सुने कभी? है कि नहीं? कोई कोई लगाते ना हल्दी. क्यों लगाते हैं? क्योंकि उसके अंदर ये प्रॉपर्टी रहती है कि वो जर्म्स को किल कर देता है. इसीलिए फूड में हम लोग कलर के लिए भी डालते हैं और ये हेल्थ के लिए भी अच्छा है हल्दी. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, which yes tell me which spice is having. Yeah tell me what you are asking.
Ma'am, you asking which
spice is pungent in taste. Pungent in taste.
Ma'am,